Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro low-profile vise tutorial. The Makera Z1 low-profile vise, designed specifically for desktop CNC machines, frees up more of the machine's working envelope for creators. Groove soft jaws allow for parallel lifting of your workpieces to allow through cuts while effectively protecting the vise and machine's work surface. Before installing the low-profile vise, home the machine in the Makera Studio app. The spindle should be in the top right corner, and the bed of the machine should be at the frontmost position. After homing, turn off the Z1 before installing the low-profile vise. You should also remove any tools loaded within the spindle prior to installing the low-profile vise. Remove the 4 screws and the MDF spoil board from the Z1's bed. Then insert 2 4x11mm locating pins in the set positions on the center of the bed. Align the locating holes with the vise base to lock and place the vise on the bed. Secure the right side first with 4 M5x20 screws. Use the included Allen wrench to remove the screws from the left fixed jaw. When disassembling, take care to prevent the screws, washers, flat keys, and T-nuts from falling onto the machine's interior. Remove the left side fixed jaw. Secure the left side with 2 M5x20 screws. Reinstall the fixed jaw by aligning the recess on the jaw with the key located on the vise base to ensure that it's seated in its original and square position. If the T-nut shifted during installation, use the L wrench to reposition them. Tighten the fixed jaw back in place. The low-profile vise is now installed, and you may proceed to clamp your workpiece. To secure your stock, loosen the 2 screws marked 3 on the movable jaw, but you do not need to remove them fully. Next, rotate the screw marked 2 on the movable jaw counterclockwise to loosen and open the vise. Lastly, loosen the 2 screws marked 1 on the jaw base, but do not remove them fully. You can now slide the right side jaw base to open the vise. Then insert your workpiece. Close the vise by hand and begin by tightening the screws marked 1 on the jaw base. Rotate the screw marked 2 on the jaw base clockwise to clamp the workpiece within the vise. Then tighten the 2 screws marked 3 on the movable jaw to secure it fully. Workpiece clamping is now completed. The vise is factory assembled with groove soft jaws by default, suitable for clamping low-profile, high-rigidity workpieces such as 2 to 10mm aluminum alloy sheets. For taller workpieces, direct bottom clamping is recommended to improve stability. Machining can begin once clamping is completed. The low-profile vise adapts your projects to more scenarios, delivering a more convenient and efficient experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.